What's up, my people? It's your girl Tsepiso, aka Tsepiso Malaji. For those who are new, I welcome you. Sorry for not showing myself in this particular video. I'm just here to do an unboxing with you guys. I brought myself this black sneakers from Madden, though they are not the ones that I really wanted, because the ones that I wanted, they are out of stock. But I just have to buy myself this while I'm still waiting for them to restock the ones that I really want. So I love these ones because they go with any color, like black just go with any color. It's not hot. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tsepiso. So today I'm starting a new video. I'm starting a new vlog today. Right now I'm in Limpopo, Palabora. Today is the today is the 30th of September. It's my son's birthday. Papa, say hi. Hi. How old are you? 6. Okay, so today is my son's birthday. I'm just here to celebrate his birthday. We just want to take few photos, then go to Spare, have some fruit, then after after Maranju. The main reason we came to town is to celebrate his birthday. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Please also don't forget to turn your notification bell on so that each time I drop a video you get a notification, please. So right now I'm just standing outside, guys, Spare, because I'm waiting for my friend and her daughter. We left them in the village because we did not have a transport, so this other guy gave us a lift and the car was full, so they had to wait for a taxi. We are waiting for them because there is no way we can go inside because we have to order and receive. So please stay tuned. I hope you guys are still enjoying watching this video. Say bye. Hey guys, 1 hour later I'm still waiting for Nikki. Wait guys, just imagine. This little guy, oh, she's greeting me. 1 hour later I'm still waiting for my friend Nikki. Where you guys, I'm so pissed off. My friend, if you see this, just know it's I'm not okay. I hate waiting, like on a serious note. I hate waiting. It's been an hour now. I know you don't have a car and you don't drive, but you are here. And I'm scared now the cake might melt, guys. It's very hot in here. It's very hot. And my son now, so guys, after celebrating his birthday, we're just gonna go back home, sleep a little bit, refresh, because later I'm going to Spring Carnival. It's gonna be hectic. Hey, and remember, it's my first time attending a festival, so I just want to experience it and see abantu babonani when they go to Carnival's festival and all that. So today, just to leave a promotion, we thank you, man. DJ Fresh is coming. Only Munada disappointed us, guys. He's not coming, and I was hoping to see him. Like, I've never met Munada in my life. I love his music, but I've never met him. but Rata Khanyao is coming, DJ Lamiz is coming, DJ Fresh, Java, like it's gonna be this is a boo. Yeah, so guys, please, while you're still watching, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. See you later when we are eating and celebrating. After 2 hours, can you imagine? After 2 hours, finally she's here. This lady. Finally she's here, guys. Let's go and celebrate. Time to order. We just arrived now, so we're just gonna order happy cake. Sing for him. Buy him a birthday gift. Then it's done. Here is your birthday boy. And this is my friend's daughter, guys. She's so quiet and shy. Say hi, who hi? Who hi, Nadi? See me, God. Guys, after hours of waiting in the sun, the cake decided to disappoint me. It has melted. Like, just look. Calabra's weather has ruined this boy's cake. Just imagine. But nonetheless, we're still gonna eat it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Turn your bell notification on so that each and every time I drop a video, you receive a notification. I'll see you later. Hey guys, I just arrived at the festival, so now I just entered. I'm gonna do check-in, then we're gonna have fun. I'm with my little sister right here. Say hi. Hello. Good fun, guys, like good fun, and it seems like it's gonna be fun, like we're gonna enjoy. So ngenzi check-in manje ngiphethe tickets lami nali. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. I hope you guys are still enjoying watching this video. I'm gonna show you every moment of this festival because like today is my first time attending a festival. I'm gonna show you everything. Please press that subscribe button and turn your bell notification on so that every time I drop a video you get a notification. Simple as that. A fit check, shoes from Madden, handbag from Luella, t-shirt from Mr. Price, shorts from Shein, from Shein. Okay, hair from AliExpress, earrings from the fix. Then that's it.
Ticket from Madden Holdings.
Ticket from Madden Holdings.
Lifa
Promotions. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, please.
Yes. Remo, don't support Mabele.
Please tell them.
Remo.
Tell them to subscribe.
Press a button here,
like, comment, share.
Remo, Razenda. Singenile. Rifikile. Tafelo. From Sulwana, support homeboy. Buddha.
Our president. We are here, guys. We are here. Wow. All the way from Silwan. We're gonna enjoy. But then abantu abakafiki, but I can feel it. The girl is hungry, so I'm going to buy the chicken. Use a bag at least. The cops are outside here by a patroller. Well, I'm gonna try and okay. My little sister say we should support someone from our village. So we're just gonna look around from our village, but I don't think there's someone from our village here. This one is from home. So we're gonna buy it. So we're gonna buy here, guys, because he's from our village. We can't support someone that we don't know. So please, guys, while you are still watching, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and please turn your bell notification on so that every time I put a video, you receive a notification. Please, I love you. We are still here at Spring Carnival. We are coming back from the festival. My girl is drunk. I'm with my cousin, my family, and the eldest one in the church. He's drunk and I'm also drunk.
Rena delicious. We are delicious. Hey, oh. This guy chiga.
Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. I love you. See you later. Bye. This is my niece. Say hi. Hi, guys.
Subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. Community, word of the day.
Word of the day. Save water and drink beer.
Yes. Word of the day.
Word of the day.
The best drink in the world. Hey. Let's drink beer and forget the water. Stay calm. Subscribe.
Please,
Years later.
So yeah, guys, today will be my first time killing a chicken. A chicken epila, you guys. I'm so scared. I'm gonna bloody chicken in my entire life. So today it will be my first time. My bonny pila, like it's alive. I have to kill it.
Dunga lahat na mapapila.
Ito yung mereka masay tagal. Then,
Dunga la jump ako lang. Mol.
Mo. Jesus. Ika say paka me. Ntati, bela marao. Bela marao le ramplon. Jesus. Ah. Ito fafane. Kanyan.
Kamata niyan, marikas ki kama. Mas kaya bala ya felele.
Why ka kumadi?
Afalala.
Eh, what? Wala bakal. Jesu. Why mo so?
Bravo.
Ye go ile ne? Ke to gel. Ke die.
No, dia mkono.
Ke to gel.
Duele.
Ke ka tsaka. Ke die dia bole.
Ano ile sana yang?
Ya, isa pole. I'm done. Gitu kan?
Hey my people, I just got home to this delivery that I'm very much excited about. Okay guys, here is the sneaker that I've been talking about. Remember in the beginning of this video I brought the black sneaker from Madden, but I did not want that one. I had to buy that one because I did not have sneakers and I was going home. So the one that I want, it's here guys. They are back on stock. I had to take my last savings and purchase this. I'm so much excited about this. It's giving Gucci vibes. It's giving, you know me, I love you, I look good. Hey guys, after disappearing, I'm finally back. I couldn't finish vlogging at the spring carnival guys. I got drunk. I couldn't control myself. I was all over. As you can hear, my voice is gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. I'm beautiful. Some guys, like I was screaming like a mad person. Like yo, just okay. Today's the 3rd of October. I'm back and resting back guys, back to work, back to reality. But overall I enjoyed home. Guys, being with my son, my family, going to spring carnival, like it was fun. I enjoyed myself. Sure. I moved from, remember I brought a ticket for general. I moved from general to VIP. From VIP to VVIP, from VVIP to the stage, guys. Yo, when I'm watching this video, it's like I am so embarrassed. I am so embarrassed. Okay, guys, I know, like in the beginning of this video, I think I didn't do a introduction, and I started vlogging when I was cooking at home, but I think I won't start this vlog with the cooking clips or videos. I'm gonna start with the one that I took my son out for his birthday celebration, then followed by the spring carnival, then followed by the cooking, or maybe the cooking is gonna be in between. Thanks for watching guys. I love you. Please do not pass without subscribing. Now it's October. I have to drop like as many videos as I can. Maybe I can do like 3 to 4 October's videos. Please guys, subscribe. I'm begging you, push me. Like the more you subscribe is the more like you giving me that energy to vlog. I know, like right now I know like I'm not good with vlogging. I am still learning, but then this is something that I enjoy doing, though most of the time I am busy and I don't vlog. But yo guys, but anyway, please, those who watch this video up to this far, I really appreciate it. See you in my next video. Love you.